In this video, we will detail how to split and merge suspended transactions, i.e. tabs. This provides increased flexibility when it comes to managing and closing out transactions. We will also cover how to split a bill either by items, manually, or by equal amounts. To enable both split and merge transactions, you only need to make two simple changes in the web portal. After logging into the web portal, click Config in the top bar and then click Profiles in the sub-menu. Click the pen edit icon on the profile you wish to update and expand the user permissions area. Now change both merge transactions and split transactions options to all pod users. Scroll down and click Save. Repeat this process for any other applicable profiles. All you need to do now is tap the Update Data button on each till to receive the changes. When tapping the folder icon, it will then display a list of all suspended transactions. You will see the Resume and Print Bill buttons and an Action button. Tapping this will provide you with all the other options you can do to the transaction, such as editing the transaction name, split bill, which we will come on to later in the video, merge transactions, and cancel sale. To merge two or more suspended transactions, for example, when a customer has a bar tab for drinks and a table tab for their meal, click the Action button on the relevant transaction and then tap Merge Transactions. You will then see a list of all suspended transactions. Simply tick all the applicable transactions you want to merge and then tap the Merge button. You'll be asked to select a new transaction reference. You can use one of the references from the transactions being merged or a new reference entirely. If the transactions being merged were added by different staff members, you'll be prompted to select who it should be assigned to. The system will then merge the transactions and update the suspended transactions window, where you can then carry out the next actions such as resume. Splitting a transaction can be done in a number of ways. To split a transaction, you must first tap the Split button above the tender options, or for suspended transactions, select Split from the Action button. You will then be asked to select a split type and will then process the payments as normal. Split items into a new transaction allows you to select specific items, pay for them in a separate transaction, and suspend the remaining items. For example, when paying the bill, each customer may want to pay for their own individual items. Split bill equally allows you to enter the number of splits and will automatically calculate each amount and allow you to process the individual payments. For example, a group of 6 want to split the bill equally 3 ways. Split bill manually allows you to enter the number of payments and manually enter the amount for each payment and then process them. Splitting the bill can be done on standard transactions as they are processed, or on suspended transactions from the Action menu. When splitting the bill by a number of payments, the payment type can vary, i.e. a bill split 3 ways can have 2 card payments and 1 cash payment. Please check out our other tutorials on tab management, table management, and order printing. More information can also be found in your user manual, and if you still have any questions, please contact your support provider, whose details can be found on the till menu or in the web portal.